Hi, so how I make over 2000 US dollars in 24 hours with this one affiliate product. So as you can see here on my screen, right, I'm going to click over it so you can see, right, over here, I made 1,922 euros, which is over 2,200 US dollars, okay, in one day. Now, how I did this, as you can see over here. Now, before I go into the details later, you can find me over here on my Instagram, right? So as you can see over here, right, you can find me here if you have any kind of questions. But now let's go importantly into the strategy that I'm personally using to get these kind of results. Now, as you can see, everyone is saying with affiliate marketing, you have to pick a niche. That's all good and great. But first of all, you have to know who is your audience, what do they want, and then you know how to offer and what to offer to them through each channel, right? Now, I choose Google Ads in my case. Why? Why Google Ads? Again, I'm going to say, like in many other previous videos, Google Ads is the mother rock of advertising. Why? Because people go to Google to search for solutions to their pains and problems, or they want to buy or look at product review, they want to buy products, right, or services. So that's why they go to Google. Great. Now, if you do your job great with your website, with your mini website, watch it now. We have Google Ads traffic, okay? Then what we do is send people from there, okay, from our web to our website, which is pop-up or opt-in page. Now, what am I doing here? You see, I'm doing two things. First of all, I'm pre-selling them on the offer, which is around $7 all the way to $100, okay, on the front end. Now, maybe you think this is a little money, but stay with me until the end of the video, and you're going to see the big discovery, aha moment, why this works. Because you see, not everyone like me and you watching this video are going to buy some course or program on day one when they see the video ad, YouTube ad or Google ad, right? Of course not. Some people will, some people won't, right? Now, the people who are not buying, who are not buyers, they can subscribe to my email list, right? So this is all done for you, automated system. You don't have to worry if you're newbie watching this video. Oh, the heck, I need to write emails, I need to do this complicated IT stuff. No, this is all done for you. Remember, affiliate marketing is not so much about the IT or tech stuff, it's more about the marketing itself, okay? So it's not about the IT stuff. Now, this is my strategy. You see, send people from Google Ads to opt-in page where they subscribe to my email list and they can buy the weight loss supplement on ClickBank, like for example, ClickBank or MaxWeb or any other CPA affiliate marketing network, okay? So this is my strategy. Now, the next thing, what is the lead magnet? The lead magnet is a free cookie, something to attract the prospect, or visitor, which is attract perfect prospects and cause them to respond. So every guru on ClickBank is selling you the lie, which is the biggest lie, that you just create a free lead magnet PDF for download and it's going to work. It's a big no-no and a big lie. Why? Because you need to attract the right buyers, not the people who are only Windows shoppers, who just want something for nothing for free and then do nothing with that stuff, okay? I think you agree with me, right? I think it makes sense, right? So you need to have a lead magnet which is going to respond and attract the right prospect, the right clients, the right customers to make you a sale on ClickBank or MaxWeb, whatever weight loss supplement you're promoting via ClickBank or any other network, okay? So that's very, very important. Now, the audience level awareness, it's also important. Why? Because remember, I told you, your sales will determine how much money you make on ClickBank, will determine to what kind of audience you are targeting. So for example, you can have offer-aware audience. For example, they're already aware that the offer exists. They're already aware, for example, that iPhone exists. So they're a buyer. They don't need any review, social proof. They just go straight for it. Niche-aware audiences, it's another topic, another kind of audience. There are same people, but they don't know that they need a solution. They just know they are in the niche of weight loss. And then you have totally unaware audiences who don't know they have a problem and they don't know they need a solution to their problem and pain, right? So If you're putting one landing page on ClickFunnels and you have a wrong ad copy, sales page or pre-sale page, landing page, the wrong text, you will not get great results. You will lose money, right? And this is not your fault. I know if you're watching this video right now, you want to get results, and this is the key. You can see over here, audience awareness level. Then you will know what kind of ad copy, headline to use, and who to target with your keywords. All right. Now the next step is, you see, what is the market awareness? How aware the market is about the product, about the problem, and what is the sophistication of that market. And the next thing what we do on landing page is AIDA, which is basically attention. Get attention with your headline on Google Ads, interest with your landing page, invoke desire, and call to action to buy now or watch the VSL, for example, if you're promoting a ClickBank product. So that's very important thing. Now I know if you're watching this video, right, you can see what we do is we go on Google Ads and create a campaign together as you're watching this video right now. Okay? Now what you can do next, if you're watching this video and if you want to get results, what we can do is we can hop on a Zoom call or Skype call for free for 15 to 20 minutes and have an honest conversation about you, where you're at, what do you want to achieve. But remember, this is not for someone who is complaining. This is not for someone who is too skeptical about being scammed or buying into a scam or not believing in themselves or not having at least $1,000 to $5,000 or more. If you seriously want to make $10,000 or more per month online, right? Ask yourself, how much is this costing you by you procrastinating and not taking any kind of action? Of course, right? It's the difference between the income you could be making and you are not. All right? So very important thing. Now, if you're watching this video, what you can do next, okay? What you can do next is you can, as you can see over here, you can reach me out on Instagram. So the links are below this video. I have Instagram, Facebook, email, WhatsApp. You can reach me out so we can together see what is stopping you. Now, I don't want to waste your time either, okay? So I'm telling you, if you hop on a Zoom call or a Skype call and have a conversation about you, where you're at right now, what is your budget, where you want to go, then we can see if we are the right fit to work together, okay? So what we can do is just after watching this video, click the links in the description below, okay? And I will personally help you to start having these kind of results, as you can see here on my Instagram over here, right? So it's all about having the right strategy and someone who is going to help you one-on-one, step-by-step along the way, hand-holding you to get the results that you desire with affiliate marketing, okay? So again, thank you for watching this video and see you in the next one. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel now.